have the 27th Annual Filmfare Awards function, which took place grandly at the Music Academy, Madras. We had a large collection of artists anyway there. Here comes Kamal, and we have his wife Vani with him. Well, he seems to be having fun. And next we had Mr. Satyanarayana Rao, and here is Mr. Jamni Ganeshan, yeah? And, oh, here comes Mr. Shashi Kapoor with Jennifer. Oh, yeah, he's coming up to the dais to have a small talk with me. Yeah, he said hello. This is Sri Vidya. Here Sashi is having quite an interesting chat. He seems to be enjoying himself. And here's the best actor of Malayalam for this year. And then we have so many people there who seem to be having a nice time. Here is Mr. Amol Palekar, who has come with his wife Chitra. Here is beautiful Rati. Yeah, she has come with her family. Here Amol is having a talk about how he got his awards. We have Vidhu Bala, who also has made a grand entry at this time. We have Mr. Shobhan Babu and Vijayan, Raj Kumar. We had Zarina Wahab, who looked rather charming that day. Mr. Raghavan. And then here comes the great director of the South, Mr. Bharati Raja, followed by Mr. Bharadhan, and then Mr. Dorai. Here we have Maushmi Chatterjee with Jitendra. Oh, they seem to have come together. Jayalalita, Sudhakar, Rekha, Ambika, Saukar Janaki. This is Charu Hassan with his daughter Suhasini, Jay Sudha, who is followed closely by Subhashini, that is her sister. And then, who shall we have? We have Jay Chitra here. We seem to be having quite a number of people today. Here is Mr. Adur Basi. He also seems to be like talking to me. Miss Rupa. And then Roja Ramani. K.R. Vijaya. This is Mr. Mahendran. Sheila. Her husband has not come with her, I presume. Lata. Deepa, who is known as Unni Mary. And here comes charming Sujata with her husband, Mr. Jaikar. And we have Satyakala here. Going on to the program in the evening, we had a great variety of dance and music performances. Here, this is a Gujarati dance taking place here. And then after that, we had all the VIPs who gave the official opening speech. Here we have Mr. L.B. Prasad, who gave quite an interesting speech. And then we came on to the awards. We had Mr. Babu receiving an award from Maushmi. And then it went on so in the evening. Jay Sudha giving the award to Mr. Dorai. Jay Chitra, who gave the award to Mr. Bharadhan. And Jitendra, who gave his film to Dasri Narayana Rao. And then Miss Lata, who gave the award to Mr. Mahendran for Udari Pukar. Arati, who received the award from Shashi Kapoor. Oh yeah, he gave a general pat also. Kamal Hassan, who gave the award to Sri Vidya. And then Sujata, who received the award from Jayalalita. And so it went on. The award winners from all the languages got their respective awards from their colleagues and co-workers. Shobha's mother, who received the award from Saukar Janaki. Unni Mary, who gave the award to Amol Palekar. And here he receives the award as the best actor for Malayalam. He got it from Rekha, where he was quite thrilled about it. Rati, who gave the award to Mr. Shobhan Babu. K.R. Vijaya to Best Actor of Tamil, Mr. Sivakumar. And with all this, the function came to an end. Thank you.